prove that log x in open interval 0, infinity do not have absolute maximum and absolute minimum. log x అనే ప్రమేయం 0, ఇన్ఫినిటీ అంతరంలో పరమగరిష్టం పరమకనిష్టం ఉండాలని చూపెట్టాలి ఇక్కడ. So for max or minimum, we know the procedure how to calculate. Given function is f of x is equal to log x. Now differentiate this function with respect to x. F dash x is equal to log x differentiation is 1 by x. We know the procedure for max or minimum. First equate f dash x is equal to 0. That implies 1 minus x is equal to 0. So there is no x value which satisfies this relation. Hence, critical points does not exist. We know maximum or minimum exists at critical points. Hence, log x do not have absolute maximum and absolute minimum. ఈ సమీకరణాన్ని తృప్తిపరిచే x విలువలు వ్యవస్థితం కావు కాబట్టి x కు సందిగ్ధ బిందువులు వ్యవస్థితం కావు. కావున log x కు పరమ కనిష్టం కానీ పరమ గనిష్టం కానీ వ్యవస్థితం కాదు. So again see this graph also here. This is a log x graph. Here log x values are increasing and whereas here log x values are decreasing here. So from this picture also we can easily say that log x do not have absolute maximum and absolute minimum. Now see this problem. A wire of length L is cut into two parts which are bent respectively in the form of a square and a circle. What are the lengths of the pieces of the wire respectively so that the sum of the areas is least? Now assume that this is a wire whose length is 12 centimeters. It is given here. And this is cut into two pieces. Let I am assuming that the wire is cut here. And assume the cutted length is x units here. Automatically this becomes L minus x. Now this length is molded in the shape of a circle, and this length is molded in the shape of a square. So that the radius of this circle is r units, and the side of the square is p units. We know the perimeter formula. Perimeter formula is 2 pi r. The perimeter becomes the length x here. The perimeter of a square 4p. 4p is equal to this length, that is equal to L minus x. Now area, sum of the areas means area is equal to area of the square, that is pi r square. The area of the square, that is p square. So if this length is least, then what is the value of this x and this L minus x? This is the question we asked. So from this I can write r is equal to x divided by 2 pi. Here from I can write p is equal to L minus x by 2. Substitute r and p here. From that you will get pi into r square. R square means x square divided by 4 pi square plus p square. P square means L minus x whole square divided by 4 square means 16. So here 1 pi and 1 pi gets cancelled. I will get This is x square divided by 4 pi plus L minus x whole square divided by 60. Now this is the function of x. Take f of x here. So for procedure for max or minimum, we have to find f dash x value. Differentiate this function with respect to x both sides here. Where 1 by 4 is 4 pi is constant, x square derivative is 2x plus 1 by 16 is constant, whole square derivative, we know the power derivative 2 into L minus x whole to the power of 2 minus 1, that is 1. And the derivative of this function is L is constant, length L is derivative 0, minus x derivative is minus 2. So again, further simplification, this is 2 1 the, 2 to the, 2 1 the, 2 8 the, f dash x becomes x divided by 2 pi. Now this is minus L minus x divided by 8. But for maximum minimum, equate f dash x is equal to 0. This implies I will get x by 2 pi minus L minus x by 8 is equal to 0. So from this relation, find out the value of x here. So I can simplify this. X by 2 pi is equal to L minus x by 8. Again I can cancel 2 1 there, 2 4 there. On cross multiplication I will get 4x is equal to L pi minus pi x. Bring this term to this side and x take x common, I will get 4 plus pi into x is equal to L pi. X is equal to L pi divided by 4 plus pi. Next, to find the second part is here L minus x. Now this is equal to L minus x value is L pi divided by 4 plus pi. So I can take 4 plus pi LCM. In simplification I will get 4L plus pi L minus L pi. Again pi L cancel. So this is 4L divided by 4 plus pi. Now second step, find out f double dash x value there. So this f double dash x means f double dash x value. Here I am solving that. Differentiate this with respect to x both sides. So here I will get f double dash x is equal to 1 by 2 pi minus 1 by 8 is constant here. L derivative is 0 minus x derivative is 1. Overall I will get 1 by 2 pi minus into minus plus 1 by 8 here. Now f double dash x means L pi divided by 4 plus pi. So this is our positive value. This is constant function. Same function I will get here, that is 1 by 2 pi plus 1 by 8. This is greater than 0. Therefore, at this particular value, at x is equal to L pi divided by 4 plus pi, I will get least value or minimum value. So this is the answer. This is the answer. X is equal to L pi by 4 plus pi and L minus x value. L minus x value is 4L by 4 plus pi. These two are the values which we want to find. So these are long questions. First question is, from a rectangular sheet of dimensions 30 by 80. Assume this as 30 and this as 80. 4 equal squares of side x centimeters are removed. These are 4 squares of length x centimeters. This is x, this is x, and this is x. 4 equal squares of length x centimeters are removed. So I will get the shape like this. So after that, the sides are then turned up so as to form an open rectangular box. If 4 sides are folded, in this case I will get this rectangular open box. Then what is the value of x? So that this rectangular box have the greatest value. So for that, see, this side becomes total 30 centimeters and 2 portions were removed here, x length. This portion becomes 30 minus 2x. This portion becomes 80 minus 2x. And this height becomes x. So value of the box formula, L into B into H, length is 30 minus 2x, breadth is 80 minus 2x, height is x. Now this is function of x, that's why I am taking as this as f of x here. Multiply 30 into 8 is 2400 minus this is 60x minus 2x into this is 160x plus 4x square into x. So again on simplification, multiply this is 4x cube. If I add this two, I will get minus 220x into x, that is 220x square plus 2400x. This is a function. For this function we have to find maximum or minimum. For that we know the procedure. First differentiate both sides with respect to x. So this is f dash x is equal to x cube derivative 3x square, already 4 is there. I will get 12x square minus derivative of x square is 2x, 2x into 220 is 440x plus derivative of x is 1, 2400. Now equate f dash x to 0 here. We know for max or minimum, equate f dash x is equal to 0. That means I will get here 12x square minus 440 x plus 2400 is equal to 0. Overall I can cancel 4 3 ja, 4 1 10 ja, 4 600. This is a function I got 3x square minus 110x plus 600 is equal to 0. So this for factorization, 3 into 600 is 1800. To get minus 110, here I will write 20 into 90. Minus 20 minus 90 is minus 110, and if I multiply, I will get 1800 here. So this is 3x square minus 90x minus 20x plus 600. Now this 3x common, x minus 30 will get here. Here minus 20 common, x minus 30 will get here. So again, if I take x minus 30, this is 3x minus 20. Two values I will get here. X is equal to 30 is one value, and x is equal to 20 by 3 here. So again, to find the maximum minima using second derivative test, find out f double dash x. So differentiate this function with respect to 2x both sides. So that is 24x minus 440. So this x is equal to 30 is not possible here, because the length of the sheet is 30 centimeters. If I remove this total length, there is no rectangular sheet. So that's why take x is equal to 20 by 3 here. F double dash 20 by 3. You will get 24 into 20 by 3 minus 440. So this is 3 1 ja, 3 8 ja, this is 160 minus 440. Automatically this is bigger one, I will get less than 0. So since f double dash 20 by 3 is less than 0, if x is equal to 20 by 3, we get maximum. So this is the problem. See, next question is, a window is in the shape of rectangle. This is a rectangle is surmounted by a semicircle. This is the semicircle, and the perimeter of the window is given. Perimeter is given as P is equal to perimeter. P is the word represents perimeter of the shape of this window. P is equal to given, that is 20 feet. Then find the maximum area. So for that, I am taking length as 2x, this side as y units, this is y, this is also y, this is total 2x means this part becomes x, this also x. So to find the perimeter here, this is 2x length plus y plus y, this length plus this length plus this length. Again, this is semicircle perimeter. First perimeter of the circle is, we know 2 pi r means x here, and the semicircle perimeter is half of this one is, I will get pi x here. So 2x plus y plus pi x is equal to 20. This is given here. To find the maximum area, first calculate the area here. Area formula is area of the rectangle, that is 2xy plus area of the semicircle. Circle area, we know pi r square means pi x square here I will get. Since this is semicircle, take half of this here. So that is pi x square by 2. So this substitute 2y value from this relation, I get 2y is equal to, from this relation, 2y is equal to how much? 20 minus 2x minus pi x. So here 2y means x, x into 2y means here I will get 20 minus 2x minus 5x plus 5x square by 2. On simplification I will get 20x minus 2x square minus 5x square plus 5x square by 2. Simplify these two or taking an LCM, this will I will get 20x minus 2x square, 2 into this one minus 2 pi x square plus pi x square means here I will get minus pi x square by 2. Now, since this is the function of x, assume this is f of x, function of x here. For max or minimum, we know the procedure. Find out f dash x. Differentiate this with respect to x both sides. 20 x derivative is 1 minus x square derivative is 2x, 2x into 2 is 4x minus pi by 2 constant, x square derivative is 2x. This is equal to 20 minus 4x, 2 gets cancelled here. So I am getting this is minus pi x. And equate f dash x is equal to 0 to find the x value here. F dash x is equal to 0 means here I will get 20 minus 4x minus pi x is equal to 0. 20 is equal to, bring these two terms to this side and take x common there. I will get pi plus 4. Now x is equal to I will get 20 divided by pi plus 4. So find out f double dash x. Second step, this one. Differentiate 1 with respect to x both sides. 20 derivative is 0. Minus 4 constant as it is, x derivative is 1. Minus pi constant as it is, x derivative is 1. So f double dash 20 by pi plus 4. Since that is constant function, I will get again the term only here. Pi is constant. Pi is constant, 4 is constant. Overall, I will get this is less than 0. Therefore, I can say at x is equal to 20 by pi plus 4, I will get maximum value. And that is given by, maximum value is given by f of 20 by pi plus 4. Now that can be substituted there. You will get, this is substitute it in f of x. So I will get 20 into x is 20 divided by pi plus 4 minus 2 into x square. X square means 20 by pi plus 4 whole square means here I will get 20 x square means this is whole square. 400 divided by pi plus 4 whole square minus pi by 2 constant. Again I have x square there. X square means 400 divided by pi plus 4 whole square. So again 2 1 so overall in this one I can take pi plus 4 whole square LCM. So on simplification 20 into 20 is 400. 1 pi plus 4 gets cancelled. Here I will get pi plus 4 minus this is 800 minus this is 200 pi. On simplification further, this is 400 pi minus 200 pi. You will get 200 pi. 400 into 4, 1600. Minus this is 800 divided by 5 plus 4 whole square. So further, this is 200 pi. 1600 minus 800 is 800 divided by 5 plus 4 whole square. On simplification, if I take 200 common, I will get pi plus 4 divided by pi plus 4 whole square. Again, 5 plus 4, this is cancelled. Therefore, the maximum area is given by 200 divided by pi plus 4. This is the answer. So this is the last problem. So what is given here? In a sphere, a cylinder is inscribed. Its surface area is maximum when its height is equal to h is equal to root 2 times of the radius of the sphere. ఇక్కడ ఏమంటుందంటే గోళంలో అంతర్లిఖింపబడిన స్తూపం యొక్క వైశాల్యం, ప్రసరణ వైశాల్యం గరిష్టం ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుందంటే దీని యొక్క ఎత్తు వ్యాసార్థానికి రూట్ 2 రెట్లు ఉన్నప్పుడు గరిష్టంగా ఉంటుంది. ఇది మనం నిరూపించాలి. That height of this cylinder is and the radius of the sphere is given, or and assume radius of the cylinder is capital R here. This total length is capital H and this particular length becomes h by 2 here. So from that right angle triangle, I can write r square is equal to, I can write h by 2 whole square means h square by 4 plus capital R square. Use this relation if it is necessary here. The first surface area of the cylinder, we know the formula pi r. R means capital R into h. Now this is depending upon capital R as well as capital H here. So this is a two variable function. Using this function, reduce it into single variable function. For that I am writing r value here. R square is equal to, I can write r square minus h square by 4 and capital R is equal to root of r square minus h square by 4. Write down that value here. This is equal to pi capital R. Capital R means r square minus h square by 4 into h. This is a function of h. Write down this is f of h here. Now for maximum or minimum, We know the first step, find out f dash h. So differentiate the term with respect to h. I is constant, and now use product formula here, UV formula. First function as it is, derivative of h with respect to h is 1 plus h power. Second function as it is, derivative of root x we know 1 by 2 root r square minus h square divided by 4 into derivative of this function. So r square is given, r is given means derivative of r square is 0, constant, 1 by 4 constant, h square derivative is 2h. Now on further simplification, I am writing this by as it is, root r square minus h square by 4 as it is. Now here I can cancel 2 1 2 2. On simplification I will get there, plus into minus is minus, h into h is h square divided by this 2 and this 2. On multiplication I will get 4 and the square root of r square minus h square by 4. Now take LCM. So LCM I will get here by as it is. LCM is 4 into root of r square minus h square by 4. So this particular term into this, that I will, this becomes 4 into root gets cancelled. Simply I will get r square minus h square by 4 minus h square. Now again, on further simplification, I can write this as 5 by 4. Multiply 4 within the bracket is 4r square. 4 gets cancelled, minus h square and minus h square divided by root of r square minus h square by 4. This is f dash h. For getting maxima or minima, equate f dash h to 0. So if I equate this term to 0, so here I will get 5 by 4 into 4r square minus 2h square divided by root of r square minus h square by 4. Simplifies, bring this total term to this side. For all I will 0 into something, I will get 0 there. So remaining terms are 4r square minus 2h square is equal to 0. Again I can cancel 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja. Further on simplification I will get h square is equal to 2r square and h is equal to root 2r. So again check at this point whether you get maximum or minimum value. For that again I have to differentiate this function with respect to h both sides. So what I am getting here, see here, f double dash, differentiate this function with respect to h both sides. F double dash h is equal to 5 by 4 is constant, and using u by v formula, so denominator as it is, write down r square minus h square by 4. Derivative of this particular term, 4r square means r is constant, the derivative is 0 here. This is minus 2h square there, 2 constant, h square derivative is 2h. So minus numerator as it is, means 4r square minus 2h square as it is. Simply I am writing here derivative of the denominator. I am not simplifying here. Why I am not simplifying, that you will understood in next step. Divided by denominator whole square. denominator whole square means simply I will get r square minus h square by 4. Now find out, now at h is equal to root 2r, find out f double dash value. So here I will get f double dash the root 2r is equal to, this is pi by 4 as it is, h is equal to root 2r, substitute here, square root of r square minus h square means 2r square divided by 4. This is a minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Again h means root 2r minus, if I substitute h is equal to root 2r, this is 4, this becomes 4r square. 4r square minus 4r square is 0, total term minuses. That's why I have not simplified there. Divided by the denominator also, r square h square. H square means 2r square divided by 4. Now simplify this one here, where I can cancel 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. And further simplification, this can be written as this minus symbol comes front side. This is pi by 4 as it is. 2r square minus r square, that will give on simplification r by root 2. So here this is 4 root 2r divided by, denominator is 2r square minus r square is r square divided by 2. Again here I can cancel root 2 here. This 4 4 r into r square gets cancelled. So final answer here I am getting this 2 is r, this 4 also cancels here. So final answer, where this 2 goes to numerator, then I will get this is minus 2 pi, which is less than 0. That implies if h is equal to root 2r, we have the surface area of the cylinder is maximum. This is the result we have proved that which we want.